everyone, this is Siobhan with Ignorant Money Club, and today we will be talking about hard wallets. So, you've entered the world of cryptocurrency, you're investing, you're doing your thing, you're finally black and in the market. You're finally investing in crypto. Good for you. Join the club. Join the club. So you have your money in your exchange and you're trading, you're buying, you're doing your thing. But you know, it's getting real, you know. You're putting hundreds, you're putting maybe thousands of dollars in there and you're keeping it on this exchange. But did you know that keeping your money on the exchange is probably not the safest thing to do? I'll be discussing some common security steps for you to take, in addition to why I've invested in a hard wallet, which is the TREZOR that I'm holding here, and I'll also walk you through some steps about how I got it set up. So let's hop into it. So as you know, in the crypto world, everything is stored on private keys. Nothing's necessarily attached to your identity, your name. Everything's on the blockchain and secured with codes and passcodes and pins and things of that nature. All your cryptocurrencies have a very particular string of numbers. It's like an alphanumerical code that's associated with specifically your crypto wallet. So if you have Ethereum, that will have a string of numbers and letters that's associated to your particular wallet. If you have Bitcoin, if you have XRP, each of those will have a specific string of characters that are related to your account and only your account. And nobody can ever know that that specific account is for Siobhan unless they know my string of keys. So with that being said, there comes great responsibility with making sure those keys are secured at all times. So some common security steps to take. Number 1, don't keep cryptocurrency on the exchange for extended periods of time. Number 2, always enable your two-factor authentication. So if you have the choice to get a message on your phone or an email to verify that it's you actually logging into your crypto account, please be sure to take those extra precautions and do that. If you do get a hard wallet, make sure your PIN code is something very unique and specific, something that only you can remember, and don't ever store your 24-word passcode on the internet, on your cloud, nowhere. Keep it physical, remember where you put it, don't lose it, and it will be your key to access your information moving forward. We'll discuss that later on in the video as well. Number 4, don't brag about your crypto holdings. Don't be dumb. Don't boast about your crypto earnings under your personal name with your, your PIN or your address to your token, like right there. Like, you're literally opening that up to the world. There's people out here who can hack and figure out that information, and you're trying to limit their access. The exchange already allows us to be anonymous, so don't do anything to jeopardize that. Number 5, only trust what you're seeing on your hardware wallet, on your hard wallet screen. If the numbers aren't matching up, or if codes aren't matching up, and this is the thing that's supposed to be verifying that information for you, you might want to be a little precautious. You might want to take a few steps back, review things, make sure everything's aligned before you move forward with anything, because you don't want your earnings to disappear out of the blue because you messed up a digit or somebody's trying to do something and you weren't aware of it. And lastly, with anything else in life, always assume that things can be stolen. You can only do a little bit extra to ensure the safety of your wallet and your investment, but don't get too comfortable. Don't get too comfortable. There's ways around everything. And now we'll go into how I set up my personal hard wallet, my TREZOR. Okay, so what is a crypto wallet? A crypto wallet is what allows you to store your public and private keys. It allows you to monitor your balances. It allows you to interact with multiple blockchains. It allows you to send and receive money. And yeah, it's just where your currency is held. So there's multiple types of wallets. There's actually hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are what we refer to as wallets that are still on the internet, wallets that are still associated with an exchange on the World Wide Web. And then cold wallets, like the one I'm holding, TREZOR, are ones that are not connected to the internet in any shape, form, or fashion. Once you take your money off an exchange and put it onto a cold wallet, there's no way in the world that it could possibly get hacked unless someone physically steals your cold wallet, your TREZOR, and knows all the pins to get into it. I mean, how much more secure does it get? Yeah, that's pretty much why I invested in this one. I'll take it out the box. It says the safe place for your coins. Pretty cool. And it's literally like a little physical crypto bank. I've already set mine up, but it comes with a little cord, USB cord. You plug it into your computer. It's touch screen. I have some pictures that I'll attach to the video, but yeah, it's very straightforward. Once you have it set up and you know like all your unique private keys for your various cryptocurrencies, very easy to transfer your money from an exchange right onto this bad boy. So let's get into it. So very easy steps here. I mean, first thing you're gonna do is open the box and follow the instructions on the box. It tells you how to get started. So step 1, connect your TREZOR to your computer or smartphone. Step 2 is to go to trezor.io/start in your web browser. Once you get to the TREZOR site, you will then select the model that you've purchased, and I purchased the Model T. It's gonna make sure that you see the hologram seal, so make sure you see a hologram seal on your device to make sure it's not been tampered with before you take any additional steps. Then you're gonna check to see that your TREZOR is connected to your computer or device, and then you're gonna install the firmware. So once your firmware is installed, it's going to reboot your TREZOR. So once the install is complete, then it'll ask you to create your new wallet. You'll then be creating your backup information. So it'll be a series of words that you'll be able to use just in case you lose your physical wallet. As long as you have these words, you will always be able to buy a new wallet, use those same words, and get access to your money that's stored off the exchange. So like I said, your recovery seed is the backup key to all your cryptocurrencies and applications. It can only be displayed once, so once it's given to you, write them down, review them, make sure all your words are correct, spelled correctly. It's only ever going to show you these words one time, so you have to make sure that you've written them correctly and that you have them saved and stored in a safe place. And then you can look over here at some things to avoid. Do not take photo of your recovery seeds. Do not store it on the cloud. Don't do it. Do not save it on the internet, anywhere. So physical copy is the best thing you can do. Just make sure you keep it safe and you'll be good to go. So it's gonna take some time to finish processing some things. You wrote down your recovery seed. You're gonna enter a PIN into your TREZOR, and then you can name your device, and I named mine Shay Money, cause I'm Shay Money. Just kidding. And you can change that at any time. Oh, why thank you. Bookmark it, email yourself, and there you go. We all set up, and once you're in here and you go into your wallet settings, you can search for particular cryptocurrencies, find out your specific wallet address, and transfer your money from the exchange to your cold wallet, and you're good to go. That is all. We'll have additional content about how to set up crypto accounts and how to transfer money. It's very involved for someone who's new to it, so we will definitely be adding that insightful information to our YouTube channel very soon. We're doing anything that we can to get Blacks in crypto. This is a safe space to learn and get a grasp head on some generational wealth, things that we missed out on in the past. We have all the resources and access to invest in those things now. Let's not miss out on this. We missed out on the .com era, but we have time to catch on to cryptocurrency, the wave. It's moving, still not fully adapted by society and the world yet, so this is a very good time to get involved with it, and we'll help you along the way. So hope that was some good content. Hope you learned something new, and if you have questions, definitely subscribe, hit the like button, write questions in the comments. We're here for you, and if you are already investing in crypto and you want to buy a TREZOR, we will also have a link to that in the description. I think I'm done. I'm so happy I got this wallet. It's so cute. And yeah, be safe. Buy crypto. Thank you.